Take a slow breath with me. Not a deep breath, not a dramatic breath, just a normal breath, but slower. Again. For the next 7 minutes, you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to solve anything. You don't need to be productive. This is your reset. If your mind feels busy, that's okay. We're not trying to silence it. We're just going to soften it. Welcome to the Radiant Wellness Hub, your go-to space for holistic health, fitness, and self-care inspiration. Let's begin. The first phase is reset, i.e., awareness without control. Sit comfortably or lie down. Let your shoulders drop slightly. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently at the bottom of your mouth. Notice your breathing as it is right now. No forcing, no improving, just noticing. Feel the air entering your nose and leaving your body. Notice the slight rise in your chest or the soft movement in your stomach. If thoughts show up, let them. Imagine them like notifications on a screen. You see them, but you don't open them. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Stay here for a few natural breaths. Now we move to the second phase, which is to regulate. That is, nervous system shift. Now gently begin to lengthen your exhale. Inhale naturally. Exhale a little slower. Again, inhale. And exhale for a longer time. When your exhale becomes longer than your inhale, your nervous system begins to calm. Let's try this together. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Inhale. Slowly exhale. As you breathe out, imagine releasing pressure, like air slowly leaving a balloon. Your body understands safety. You're reminding it right now. If stress feels heavy in your chest, send your breath there. If it feels tight in your stomach, send your breath there. No fighting, just softening. Next, we move to the third phase, which is to release. That is, physical tension scan. Now, bring your awareness gently to your body. Start at the top of your head. Soften your forehead. Relax your eyes in their sockets. Unclench your jaw. Let your neck release. Let your shoulders drop 1 inch lower. Arms heavy, hands relaxed. Chest soft. Release any gripping in your stomach and let your hips feel heavy and supported. Relax your legs and soften your feet. Stress often hides in the body. Right now, you're giving it permission to leave. With every exhale, imagine tension melting down and out of you. You don't have to hold everything together in this moment. The last phase is to rewire, that is, mental reframing. Now, gently bring to mind one thing that has been stressing you. Just one. Notice how your body reacts. Notice where you feel it. Instead of spiraling into it, Say silently to yourself, "This is a moment, not my whole life." Again, this is a moment, not my whole life. Stress convinces us everything is urgent. Mindfulness reminds us everything moves. Picture yourself 1 week from now. The intensity will not feel the same. You are bigger than this moment. Let that settle. Lastly, it's grounding. Now take one more slow breath in and a long, steady breath out. Notice how your body feels compared to 7 minutes ago. Even a 5% shift matters. Stress relief isn't about eliminating stress. It's about creating space around it. Whenever you feel overwhelmed today, remember, you can always come back to your breath. You can always reset. Gently wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders softly. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You just practiced mindfulness.